children? Sit down. Okay, I already. Okay, let's quickly revise what we studied in the last class. Can anybody say what we discussed in the last class? Okay, very good. Sudhir.
About combustion flame, sir.
About
Combustion.
combustion. We didn't discuss much about flame. We told the definition of combustion and how it happens. Okay, we discussed about combustion
And how it happens, sir.
yeah,
What
how it
about-
happens.
What all material can take combustion?
Exactly. What and all the materials go under combustion and in which way? How much time it will take,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So, can you say, I'll ask you a simple question. Will all objects turn into flame, turn into flame within same equal time?
No, sir.
Okay, it's no. Because different substances take different amount of time to catch fire. Yeah, fire or flame. Very good. Yeah, please.
Sir, కాకపోతే వెళ్ళాను సార్ దట్ మీన్స్ స్లోలీ వి క్యాచ్ సర్ఫైస్
What?
కాకపోతే వెళ్ళాను
Copper?
కాకపోతే
Yeah, yeah.
క్రాకర్స్
Very good. When we use crackers, there are some of the things. You know this cracker over right? It will take some time. Even after keeping it in fire, it will take some time. But what happened to your matchstick? It will matchstick. When you try for a matchstick, it will catch fire very easily, right? Within seconds it will catch. But when it comes to that some crackers, it will take some 4 to 5 seconds roughly. Okay, very good. There will be some time lapse, time difference. Okay, first thing we already have. We discussed about structure of matchstick. What kind of chemicals? What kind of chemicals included and what is responsible for fire in matchstick?
White phosphorus.
White phosphorus is responsible. First we use white phosphorus, which is a bit dangerous. Then we replace it with red phosphorus. Very good. Now we will write some of the objects that can catch fire and we will write how much time it will take. Okay, let's quickly say. One of you stand up and say. First matchstick. How much time it will take? Yeah. Not more than 1 second. Yeah, paper. Very good. Say paper. Not more than 1 second. We can write this not more than 1 second instantly. Can we write like this? Instantly it will catch fire. Yeah, stand up.
Alcohol, sir.
Huh?
Alcohol.
Yeah, even alcohol catches fire. Yeah, alcohol, petroleum, yeah, kerosene. Kerosene comes under petroleum. You know petroleum, right? What's the difference between petroleum and petrol? Huh? Wait. Petroleum and petrol. What's the difference? Stand up. Difference between petroleum and petrol.
Petroleum means like alcohol.
No. Wait. I tell you. Petroleum. Sit down. Petroleum is crude. Somebody is saying. Very good, Teja. Petroleum is crude oil. What is petrol then?
Petrol is all substance that is taken from petrol.
Very good. Petrol is obtained from petroleum. First, we'll get natural resources in the form of, that oil as petroleum. Yeah, crude oil. That is called as petroleum. We will take different things like diesel, petrol, and kerosene. These are all the products that are extracted from petroleum. So we can say petroleum, right, for all these. For diesel, kerosene, petrol, all this stuff. Yeah.
But diesel, kerosene, we can come from petroleum, sir. Why there are different names, sir?
Very good. Based on the properties. Is kerosene and petrol same? Can you put kerosene in your vehicle?
No, sir.
No, right?
We can't
Do you know where we will get wax? This Vaseline and all.
From
where?
petroleum.
From petrol, right? Can you apply petrol to your lips?
No, sir.
Based on the purpose and based on the properties, we divide into different substances, right? Okay.
Sir, crackers.
With this, we'll write petroleum also. These are all. These three burn instantly. Can you say some of the examples where it will take time?
Sir.
Yeah, wait. No mass answer. No mass answer. Yeah, stand up.
Magnesium.
Very good. Magnesium ribbon. Very good. In last chapter we did that experiment, right?
Sir.
Very good.
Sir, crackers.
In that it nearly took some 10 to 15 seconds for us, right? Can you remember?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Magnesium ribbon.
Sir, crackers.
It will take some time. Nearly some 10 to 15 seconds.
Sir, instant stick.
Yeah. What?
Instant stick.
Yeah. It will also.
Take some
Yeah. It
time.
will take some 4 to 5 seconds. Very good. Instant stick. 10 to 15 seconds.
Sir, dry wood, sir. Dry wood.
Huh?
Dry wood.
Very good. Dry wood and instant stick.
Sir,
You wanna say
crackers.
something?
Crackers.
Crackers. Yeah. Not all crackers, but some of the crackers. Very good. No. Get up. Okay. Dry wood.
Sir, iron pieces.
Okay. Enough. These are the two examples for the objects which take time. Now, can you say any of the objects which won't catch fire at all? Wait. We'll give chance to our friends. Yeah, last time.
Rock.
What?
Rock.
Rock. Very good. Yeah.
Water.
Very good. Rock. There are some substances. Rock
Water.
and water. Sand. Very good. These won't catch fire at all. Yeah, even glass. Pure glass. See, even in the glass, right? Rain. Fine. There are some amount of time. There is some time difference, right, between objects. Why is this happening?
Because the substances are different.
Very good. Because the substance is different. And let's see, there is a scientific reason behind this. Let's see the reason for that in today's class. Okay. Before that, I would like to ask you something else. Okay, if there is. Okay, what are the reasons for combustion? I mean, what are the factors that can affect combustion? Last class we discussed this. Combustion. Presence of. Very good. Presence of not air. Presence of oxygen. Okay. O2. And that material. Yeah, that material should be something.
What is it?
Yeah, that can burn.
Sir, oxygen friction.
What?
Friction.
Friction. What friction?
Friction.
Stand up and say clearly.
Sir, if we apply friction,
Yeah, exactly. If you because of friction also, sometimes we can see sparks. When you take a rod and stuck it to the tar road or some hard surface, you can see sparks. Okay?
sir.
Very good. We'll discuss that in and you remember it too. You remind it to me. Fine? Hey, video. Okay. So there are some factors which can affect combustion process. Presence of O2.
And burn, which can burn.
Yeah, which can burn. So if you want to stop fire, what you will do?
We will pour sand or water.
Okay.
And we will use pyroxene.
Very good.
Sir, air is carbon dioxide.
Okay, fine. So you are saying, okay,
Sir,
if you take out the air, if we take out O2 from the fire, can we stop the fire?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, let's discuss that in today's class. First, we will discuss about how a substance catches fire. On which basis it is taking different amount of time. That's what we are discussing, right? Before I asked you about this factors affecting. Okay. There are different objects that takes time, different times for catching fire. What is that time is called?
So time taken to catch fire.
Okay, time taken to catch fire. So why it is taking time? Okay, let's take case of wood. While cooking or while doing something, when you want to burn wood, will you directly put matchstick in contact with that? No, right? Even if you do that, you will end up with wasting a matchstick. So first you will take something, some paper or some dry cloth, dry leaves. Yeah, but it will catch fire instantly, right? That dry thing, dry leaves and all. So first you will burn it, then you will put the block of wood into that. So it's reaching some temperature. It will become heat, right? That block of wood. It is reaching some temperature, then it will catch fire. Why is it happening like this? So directly or indirectly, I am very standing. Very good, very good. It is crossing a limit of temperature. For every object to burn, there must be some temperature to burn. That's happening here. Like if that reaches a particular temperature, then only it will catch fire. Let's see that through experiment. One of you come here and one from this row. Okay, you come here. Okay, let's take two paper pieces. Okay? Close the door. Get inside. Hemant, get inside. Okay. We are taking two paper pieces. One we are leaving as it is. Turn on right, turn on right. One paper piece we are leaving as it is. Take this dry water. Dry paper piece. And one paper piece we are wetting it.
We are putting into water.
Yeah. And we will fix it to a shoe holder for the purpose of holding. Okay, take this. This is paper number B. Paper number A. Put it in this. What's happening? It's catching fire. So is it? And observe one more thing. What will it? How can I stop this fire? See, I am putting it here and I am doing like this. So fire got stopped. Okay. Remember this. I am not asking the reason. And we'll put second piece.
That will take time. Will take time.
It will take time, but it will burn for sure, right? See, even after making it wet, it is just taking some more time. That's it. Okay, thank you. You may go. So what's happening here in paper number A? Catch fire instantly. And paper B takes time. Why is this difference? Because we made it wet. We made the paper be wet. So first it will evaporate that water. Then it can turn into normal paper. So it's regaining the property this requires more temperature because it's wetted because of water. This doesn't require more time. So the temperature required to make this wet piece into dry piece again. I mean,
Time.
yeah, the temperature required to make it ready for the combustion is called as ignition temperature. Write it down. Ignition temperature. Write down ignition temperature. Hey.
Sir, when we light up a candle and we put it on inside a glass beaker,
Yeah.
why it will be on, sir, the flame?
Okay. If we take a glass and if you burn some candle and if you cover it with that glass, what will happen? Flame will go away within some time because the oxygen present in it
will be
will
over.
be over within some time. In burning process, what will happen? It will convert oxygen into CO2. So once the oxygen in it is over, it will not burn anymore.
Sir, but why doesn't it take carbon dioxide?
It won't take carbon dioxide
Sir.
because it only requires, you know, the reaction for combustion. In combustion, it will take oxygen only. I already told you the reaction for combustion.
But when we take a flame, sir, chelma చేసుకున్నప్పుడు
Yeah.
అది గ్రీన్ కలర్ లో మారుతుంది కార్బన్ డయాక్సైడ్ కొన్ని సార్లు.
Okay, it turns into green color. You can see some of the colors, right?
Yes,
When
sir.
you burn something and when you go near gas stove, it will be in different colors.
Yes, sir.
That is because that's not because of using CO2 or other gases. Is that clear? That is because of difference in heat in that. That concept we will get in next class in flame, structure of a flame. Okay, sit down. So in paper 8, heat, like, yeah, write down ignition temperature. The minimum temperature required for an object. The minimum temperature required for an object to catch fire.
The minimum temperature.
The minimum temperature required for an object to catch fire is called as ignition temperature. So, can anybody conclude what happened in this? What happened when we kept the paper piece into water?
It's
Where you stand up.
the particles of paper and the particles of water, they both mix.
The particles of paper absorb
The particles
water
of
particles. And so what happened? Its ignition temperature changed.
Yes, sir.
In which way it changed? It decreased or increased?
Increase.
Increased. When ignition temperature is the minimum temperature required for an object to catch fire. Here what happened? It took more temperature, right?
Yes, sir.
That means the ignition temperature. See, first let's take a value. It's not the correct value. See, if the value is 25 degrees centigrade, okay. Let's take 100 here. Okay? Don't write it. I am just telling you for understanding. If it is 100, first paper, when we keep water in it, its ignition temperature reaches to 150. So it requires minimum of 150 degrees heat. That's why for acquiring that much heat, it's taking some more time. Did you understand? Yeah, please. You have any other doubt? No, right? Okay. So when we put this paper in water, its ignition temperature is getting increased. So what do you think the difference between a paper and wood piece, which is having more ignition temperature? Wood piece. How can you say that? Because it is taking it is taking more time and it is taking more temperature to catch fire. Is that clear? Sit down. And there are some of the objects, right? Like petrol and and alcohol. You don't already which catch fire instantly. Yeah. For that, what might be the reason for catching fire easily? Wait. Raise your hand. Just raise your hand. Whoever know the answer, or you want me to repeat the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will repeat the question once again. See, just now we studied about ignition temperature, and I already told you there are some of the like petrol and some of the liquids, petroleum liquids. Those catch fire very easily, very instantly. Why it is happening? How much can be the ignition temperature of it?
50 or 20.
No, tell less, medium or very high.
Less.
Less. That is the reason it is catching fire easily, right?
Yes, sir.
Hey, now it's true. Okay. So for those objects, for those liquids, which ignition temperature is low, it's catching fire very easily. Is there any term for those kind of liquids?
Flammable.
Very good. Who told? Very good, Teja. Flammable. But when you see a petrol tank, what will be written on that?
Sir, flammable.
Very good, very good.
Flammable, sir.
Flammable.
One skull symbol will be there, sir.
Danger.
Yeah,
Danger.
earth symbol will be, danger symbol will be there. And he is saying
Highly flammable.
highly flammable is written on that. If you observe very clearly, on some of the vans, it will be written as inflammable.
Yes, sir. In a
Yeah, very
perfume
standard.
bottle, inflammable.
Yeah, on some of the
Perfume bottles.
very good, inflammable. Very good observation, Teja. In some of the objects, it will be written inflammable. Okay, do you think perfume bottle catches fire? Yes, it catches fire. And he is saying the word flammable is used for objects which catch fire easily. And he is saying the word inflammable is used for
The object
which
which
catch
can't
fire,
catch fire.
which catch fire easily. How is this possible?
Inflammable means it will not catch fire, no, sir.
Yeah, grammatically it is correct. But there is a misconception. Everybody thinks like if it is inflammable, it doesn't catch fire at all. I mean, it doesn't catch fire. But these two terms, flammable and inflammable, used for the same. Okay? Don't get confused. If flammable or inflammable is written on that, that means it will catch fire easily.
Sir, inflammable means it will take time.
No, same.
What
See,
same?
you're saying right, petrol tanks and all, it will be written as flammable. You can even write inflammable.
You are saying.
Two are same, yeah.
That means the two are same meaning only, no, sir.
They are same meaning they are having. Normally in English we use I and in for opposite terms, right?
Yes, sir.
But here in this only one case, flammable and inflammable are same.
But why is the different names?
I don't know, but for both of these we are using
Same.
same thing. That's it. Write down inflammable. Write down inflammable. Okay. What can be the ignition temperature of inflammable objects? Very low. Very less or very high? Write down the same thing. The substances for which ignition temperature is very low. Simple definition, right? Yeah, write down. Inflammable. The substances for which ignition temperature is very low. The substances for which ignition temperature, right? Ignition temperature is very low. Is that okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubts in this concept of ignition temperature or inflammable materials? No, right? Okay. Let's go to the second topic of this class. This is all. Okay. Just now we discussed about the factors that can affect flames. What are those factors? Oxygen. Oxygen. Very good. Oxygen is the most important.
Important to fight. Thing for
Yeah.
make.
So what we can do when we see a fire outbreak? Okay, if it is happening in some, okay, if it happened with some tree, there is a dry tree outside and it's catching fire. What you will do?
I will pour water. I will
Wait. You
I will
will.
pour water, sir.
Very good.
Or at least fire.
Sit. Pour water. And somebody from here. Can you suggest me a way to stop that fire?
Sand.
Yeah, very good. Wait.
Sand.
Very good. We can pour even sand. Very good. And any others? Yeah, sand.
See what is
Very good. Fire extinguisher. In that CO2 is filled. Okay. Fire extinguishers. It is filled up. Okay, it's filled with CO2. And any other alternatives to stop fire? Okay. Sit down. Huh? Move? Okay, cloth. Okay, if you find a thick blanket, yeah, we will wet it and wait, I'll tell you. Even if it is very thick, we can directly put it on the fire. See, just now I did this now. I just kept my hand on this and the fire is gone. What might be the reason in this? Okay, but wait. Let's take the all alternatives and then we'll come to this. Okay? Fire extinguishers and somebody told something here. Very good. Cloth. Okay, let's write cloth. Okay, wet cloth you want. Fine. Any other alternatives? That's it? Okay, fine. So what is happening here? When we pour water, when we pour sand, when we... Yeah, very good.
The oxygen is not there.
Exactly. What's your name? Clap for Jyotish Kumar. So when we are doing this, we are cutting the link between the flame and oxygen. See, when we are pouring sand, what will happen? Oxygen will go away, right? See, simple example, I just did this before you. I just kept my hand. What happened? Then there is nothing here. No CO2, no O2. So, fire got over. And pouring water. When we pour water, oxygen will go and there will be only H2O there. Okay? And sand, same will happen. Fire extinguisher, CO2. When we apply CO2 to that, oxygen will go away, right? And cloth. Yes.
You are telling in the fire O2 present will no, sir.
Yeah.
But with O2 only no, sir, sometimes will sir.
Yeah, you can say that.
Light O2 sir. Then note the one air O2 sir. Or other O2.
We are applying, very good question. When we want to... Wait. Yeah, stand up.
When you are
Tell your
blowing
friend, what might be the reason?
coming out.
Very good. Your friend is asking, when we blow a candle, why it will? Because, why it will?
We are taking
When react with air, no, it will stop no, sir.
Yeah, it will stop. Why it will stop?
carbon dioxide.
Very good. We are taking out CO2 only, right? We are taking O2 and
We are
breathing out
CO2.
CO2, exhaling CO2. Fine? Okay. See, even when there is so much wind coming, what will happen? Even O2 is coming with that, right? But it will stop because of more force. It can't withstand the force. Okay? These are the reasons. When there is an outbreak of fire, we must stop O2 reach to the flame. That's the way to stop. Can we do the same with every fire?
No,
Every
sir.
kind of fire?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
That's for buildings, gas stove.
Gas stove. Yeah, very good. What you will do for gas stove?
When we are water pour me, some flame will come to on the stove.
Sir.
When I water
Sir,
pour,
sir.
Wait. Okay, stand up.
Electricity, sir.
Very good. See, fire may be caused by normal flame itself, but sometimes it's due to short circuit. Electricity.
Then
What you will do? Can you pour water? Can you wait?
No, sir.
Stand up, stand up. Can you pour water on wires?
No, sir.
What will happen if you do that?
Sir,
We get shocked.
it will become.
We will get shock, current shock. So what you will do for that?
We will take the fire. We will take the
Very good. We'll use this fire extinguisher, CO2. We'll supply, when we supply CO2, O2 will go away and the fire will be stopped. Very good. Sit down, sit down. Any other kind of fires?
gas tank, sir. The petrol.
Very good. Stand up here. Very smart. Petroleum. So what you will do? What
We
you
will
what?
add more water, sand and water.
Very good. We can pour
Sand
sand,
and water.
water.
No, sir.
No. I already told you. We already discussed what happens if we mix water and petrol. What happens?
You must pour sand.
Because of the more density of water, water will come down.
And the
Petrol will stay in the upper layer. So it can catch fire there also. We can't stop
Sand
petrol.
or fire.
Yeah. Fire caused by petrol using water. We shouldn't do that. Instead, when we do that, it will spread for more long. So what we will do? Take a
Sand or fire extinguisher.
very good sand or fire extinguisher. This is the most common thing. Like we can use this for anything. Because this is this is just gas. Fine? Yeah.
Alcohol.
Alcohol. Even for alcohol, we should do the same thing. Even alcohol spread.
We can put cloth on, sir.
Yeah, we can put cloth also. Yeah, sit down. Say, your friend, very good, stand up. You are the one who told cloth, right? Why do you want me to use wet cloth? Preferably.
Sir, we wear.
Wait. Let him tell the reason.
We wear right hand with back side.
Very good. Try if we put. Why do you prefer wet cloth?
Because if we wear right hand, it will catch.
Very good, very good.
Sir,
He says if we put dry cloth, it will also catch fire. So what is happening by making it wet? Stand up.
Sir, when making it wet, the water particles condense with the cloth particles, sir, and it will stop the air coming to the fire, sir.
Very good. Sit down. Not exactly. Stand up.
better has more resistance.
Exactly. Very good. So while wetting the cloth, what happened here in this case? How we increase ignition temperature of this?
By wetting.
By wetting. When we wet some object, the ignition temperature of it will increase. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait. Ask a simple question. Can you burn a paper without using flame, without using a matchstick?
Sir,
Wait. Stand up. Raise your hands. Okay,
Sir,
wait.
That's easy or
Okay, Modi stand up.
magnifying glass.
Wait.
Magnifying glass.
Same answer right from all of you. Very good. Almost everyone answered for this. Yeah, stand up.
When we do rock microwave.
Very good. When we use two rocks. Yeah. We can use Yeah. Sunlight. Very good. Yeah, the same thing he told. Using sunlight. Wait. We can't. Wait. We can't burn something using direct sunlight. Like we can do forest fires and all. Why do forest fires happen?
sir,
Because of
Very good. Because of sun's temperature, increase in sun's temperature. What will happen?
sir,
Fire will come suddenly. Sit down.
sir.
And even when we are using this paper, magnifying lens, it will burn because of increased intensity of sunlight. So that is crossing the ignition temperature of paper. That's why it will catch fire.
some quantity of petrol or something on paper will automatically
It will not.
Sir.
Yeah, sometimes because when we put some petrol on paper, what will happen? Petrol is inflammable, right? So it is decreasing ignition temperature of paper itself. So that's why it will catch fire easily.
Sir,
Clear?
when we pick up a paper with petrol, sir,
Yeah.
and we will draw with a
Very good. When we wet the paper in petrol,
and with rod we can
yeah,
fix it.
when we give some part to it, it will catch fire very easily. That's the principle of stove, right?
It's a lighter.
Yeah, lighter. when we are doing friction, we are producing a spark. The same thing you told.
One doubt.
Then when we are producing a spark, that LPG which is coming from the stove, it will catch fire very easily.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sit down, everybody. Bye. Okay. Yes, stand up.
Sir, you told the rock you cannot break, sir.
Yeah.
But when you heat the rock,
Rock won't burn so easily. But
it became lava.
yeah, exactly. Very
It will
good.
melt, sir. It will melt.
Wait. On our earth surface, we can't burn a rock. But you can see magma, right? Red color. What is that? Lava. What is that? Rock, I know.
Agniparva, sir.
Yeah, Agnipatham, that is rock only, right? Because of the earth crust. Yeah, in earth crust there will be high temperature. High temperature. That is, in that we can make that rock. But normally on the earth surface we can't do that.
Sir,
Huh?
something like magnetic plus one, sir. That we can burn, sir.
We cannot burn.
And like that one, it has like lights, sir.
It has
Some lights like this, sir.
lines like this. No, because of the manufacturing thing we can see lines. That's it. While manufacturing, they will manufacture in order, right?
Yes, sir.
That's the reason of that line. Okay. Wait. There is a small work for you. Write down how will you handle a fire outbreak in your own words.
Okay, sir.
Write down homework. How will you handle fire outbreak in your own words? Okay? Tomorrow I take homework.